This is the Joe Chef kitchen torch, and the brand sent this to me to try. And this is a really cool torch. So I love that it comes with 2 canisters of butane so that you can fill it up and have butane to last for a little bit. The torch itself is really nice. It comes with this nice stand. You pop it off the stand and flip it over, and you just fill it with the butane by taking the butane can and pressing it in. You want to be careful not to overfill it. And then your torch is ready to go, and it's super easy to use. You're just going to push the safety down. That enables the clicker, and then you twist this knob counterclockwise to turn the gas on, and then you just click it, and you've got a torch. Twist the knob all the way clockwise to turn it off, and put the safety up, and you're good to go. So this is a really awesome torch to have around. You could use this to sear a steak. You could use this to do creme brulee, toast marshmallows. I mean, there's a ton of possibilities that you could do with this thing. And I think this is just a really, really nice tool to have around the kitchen. I do want to say thank you to the brand for sending this to me to try. I really appreciate it. I think this is a great little torch, and I would highly recommend it.